Hello everybody, my name is Peter Fend. I am Product Manager for Process Sensors. In this tutorial, I am going to show how the Balmer adapter system helps integrate sensors of different technologies in your application process. Here, you see 4 different sensor technologies to measure temperature, pressure, flow, and filling level.
They
use different operating principles, but have one thing in common. Process connection G 1/2 inch hygienic for proprietary installation in weld-in sleeves.
Und damit haben Sie den Sensor proprietär eingebaut.
But the Balmer adapter system provides the matching solution also for the other process connections you see here. This adapter is used in a clamp connection. Adapter mount utilizes hygienic seal with EH-EDG certification. Thanks to the matching adapter, the sensor with 1/2 inch connection can be used in a clamp connection and in a dairy pipe connection and in a Balmer hygienic connection and in Varavent. You see, thanks to the matching adapter, the sensor is compatible to each of these process connections. But there is even more to it. The Balmer adapter system allows each process connection to be used with another sensory technology. Here, you see a pressure sensor in a clamp connection, a flow sensor in a dairy pipe connection, and a level sensor in a Balmer hygienic connection. Thanks to this ultra-flexible solution, the sensors can be easily exchanged among each other. For example, in the event of a planning error, sensor technologies can be correspondingly adapted without any problems. Simply exchange a few parts. Here, 4 sensors and 4 adapters, and any sensor principle can be used in any process connection. In other words, maximized flexibility and minimized number of parts. That's all for the moment about solution flexibility with Balmer sensors. Thank you for watching and see you next time.